We're now going to create an effect. So one of the benefits of working with video files in Photoshop is that you can create effects using adjustment layers, styles, and simple transformations. You've used adjustment layers with still images throughout this course. They work just as well on video clips. When you apply an adjustment layer in a video group, Photoshop applies it only to the layer immediately below it in the Layers panel. So in the Layers panel, we're going to select the Three Dog at the Beach layer. Three Dog at the Beach. That layer right there. In the Timeline panel, move the playhead to the beginning of the Three Dog at Beach. So we're going to drag this over here to where we're right at the beginning of the Three Dogs at the Beach. Let me show you a little tip. So let's go back over here. When you drag this over, if you want to quickly snap the playhead to the first frame of a clip, if you hold down the Shift key as you drag across, boom. See how it put it on there? Tip for the day for you. So in the Adjustments panel, so go up here to the Adjustments panel. Got some new stuff here. We're going to select black and white. That's presets. I'm going to select black and white. In the Properties panel, leave the default preset and select Tint. Right here, we're selecting Tint. The default tint color creates a sepia effect that works well for this clip. Experiment with the sliders and the tint color to modify the black and white effect to your taste. So you can drag some of these till you get it like you like it. Green doesn't do much. Alright, I think that's how I like that. So get yours to please you. So now if you move the playhead, we'll drag this across and you can see that it affected that whole clip. Just like that. We are now going to animate a zoom effect. Even simple transformations become interesting effects when you animate them. You'll use animation to zoom in on the Four Dogs clip. So move the playhead to the beginning of the Four Dogs clip. I used my Shift key. Click the triangle at the top right corner of the Four Dogs clip to display the motion panel. Right there. Choose Zoom from the pop-up menu. On the Zoom From grid, select the upper left corner right there. Make sure the Resize to Fill Canvas is selected. And then just click away from it. And that will close the motion panel. Drag the playhead across the clip to preview the effect. So when you drag this across, you see that it's doing that. You're going to enlarge the image in the last keyframe to make the zoom more dramatic. So click the triangle to the left of the title of the Four Dogs clip right here. That reveals the attributes for this clip. There are two keyframes which appear as red diamonds under the clip on the timeline. One for the beginning, one for the end. Click the right triangle next to the transform attribute. So this right triangle right here. That moves the playhead to the last keyframe if it's not already there. And then choose Edit and Free Transform. Then enter 120% for width and height. Click the Commit Transform button. So let's drag the playhead across the Four Dogs clip to see how that looks. So nice. So, question. When you apply an adjustment layer in a video group, where in the layers panel is it applied to? Is it applied to every layer? To the layer immediately above it and immediately below it? Only the layer immediately below it, or only the layer immediately above it? The correct answer, only the layer immediately below it.